Shanghai Nanhui is promoting the release of 10 Tesla cars for FSD pilots use on the city streets. And this FSD pilot program is aimed at testing Tesla FSD capability in controlled environment. Details such as the starting date of the pilot and specific FSD feature to be tested were not disclosed right now. And Tesla has been actively preparing for the introduction of FSD service in China, including setting up dedicated teams and complying with local regulatory requirements. Before FSD approval in April month, automaker CEO Elon Musk paid an unannounced visit to Beijing, where he was believed to discuss the rollout of FSD in China. Mema Reuters reported that Tesla is preparing to register FSD with authorities in China. Good news for Tesla is also coming from China. Top car maker BYD will supply LFP batteries for Tesla Shanghai mega factory.